Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to unbox and review Prestige Omega Deluxe Granite Fry Pan. This pan is available in different sizes. Its special spatter-coated surface looks new for longer and is also metal spoon friendly. Enjoy a pleasant cooking experience with the long-lasting and scratch-resistant Granite Finish Coating. This pan is made using German technology and lasts longer than any ordinary cookware.
Do not forget to explore this product price on Amazon and Flipkart. Links to this exact product is available in description.
The granite pan is compatible with dishwasher, making the cleaning and maintenance of this product an easy task. The special spatter-coated surface looks new for longer and it is also metal spoon friendly. Be worry-free about the exterior of the granite pan with the 2-layer metallic finish, which maintains its new look for a long duration. Prestige Omega Deluxe Granite 5-layered non-stick cookware is made using German technology and it lasts 3 times longer than ordinary non-stick cookware. Prestige Deluxe Granite can be used on both gas and induction cooktops. Its bakelite handles are heat-resistant and give strong grip. Your favorite dishes are now made with ease, with the non-stick performance of the granite pan. Do not forget to explore this product price on Amazon and Flipkart. Links to this exact product is available in description. It also comes with glass plate for efficient cooking experience. Enjoy a convenient cooking experience with the versatile function of the pan base that allows you to cook on both gas and induction cooktops.
Do not forget to explore this product price on Amazon and Flipkart. Links to this exact product is available in description.